Hi, I'm Gela from Johannesburg, South Africa. Did you know that there are more than 1.2 billion people living in extreme poverty, or that the richest 1% own more than 99% of the world's wealth? What about the fact that 22,000 children die each day due to conditions of extreme poverty? Well, what if I was to tell you that there are organizations out there that legally steal, commit fraud, create money that doesn't exist, and use Ponzi schemes? A good example would be the banking system. Where do you think the loans that they pay out to you come from? You, like many people, probably think it's from money that other people have deposited in the bank. If you believe this, you would have been right in the past, but things have changed since then. At one point in history, some banks started providing loans by handing out money that did not exist, and this allowed them to become incredibly wealthy. This was the result of politicians who decided to make it legal for banks to create money that previously did not exist. And they decided that there would be a limit to the amount of fake money that could be produced. So for every real $1, they would actually print 10 fake ones. And this means that the bank is committing fraud. It is paying you out money that was never there to begin with. And the bank is also allowed to attach your assets, like a house or a car, if the person has not paid off their debt. The problem is that the money they borrowed did not exist in the first place. But when they take your assets, those things are real. And also, if that's not bad enough, all banks are pyramid schemes because they offer you interest on the amount of money that you put in. The money that you receive from the interest comes from other people putting their income into the banks. Now, there is more debt owed in the world than the amount of money in existence, and every dollar owes more debt than it's worth. If every person in the world was to pay all their money towards erasing the debt, there would be still loads of debt. So how does one pay off old debt? The only solution in this current system is to borrow new debt to pay the old debt, supposedly. This explains why so many countries are in debt and cannot pay it off. It is simply impossible, and the system needs debt to function. So what does the normal middle or lower class person like you and me do? Triple M.